Welcome to Steelworks Design, presentation of the automatic box stapling machine. Our box stapling machine is set up to build any size of drawer box. The machine is loaded manually, squaring up the four sides in preparation for stapling. The operator initiates the stapling cycle, stapling the sides, and looking from beneath, stapling the bottom, as well as drilling 4 pilot holes for the drawer runners. The machine retracts and opens up to release the finished box, all done in about 30 seconds. It's manually adjusted to do any size of drawer box. Check out our website, steelworksdesign.com, for more interesting solutions.